Yeah, this is the current situation. Our current situation here. It's like you see, we got some hens, chicks, cocks, whatever, cockroaches. Before they used to lay their eggs here, but we found that there's one immense disadvantage because when the time to sleep, you see, all these chicks and turkeys, they come and sleep here, so it disturbs our eggs. One thing, and we have weaknesses, so we don't know how some other eggs were being broken. This is another fact. We decided to put them there, and as you can see there, we don't have too much bricks on top of each other. It's just bricks so that we mark a demarcation. So right now we are here to see whatever will happen. And these bricks, we just remove the ones on top of it, we just take the nest to see how they are going to sleep for tonight. Because if they want to sleep on top, as you know, that sometimes birds, you know, they sleep with trees whatsoever, something in a place that is a little bit higher. So if they want to sleep here, we're gonna leave this one, but we will just make it a little bit nice. But here is specifically meant for the birds laying eggs, so that we know where the problem is coming from. And the challenge we are having is we are having the challenge of is it louse, if it is one lice, if there are many, but the problem of lice, even in the house, we are being disturbed. So it's another challenge. We are trying to eradicate all this. I want to thank you so much. Here we are. This is the village life experience. The little we have, and as you can see, let's come here and see what is here. We are very thankful because you see our eggs, they are now nicely placed. And this material we have used, since we are very incapacitated, we do not have enough material. So the little that we have, we must try to make use of the little that we have. As you can see here, I think this is only a plank that we have, but all of it, you see, these are trees. We cut them very few, and we make use of the little resources we have, even without money or with money. But if it means you must work, you must work. Don't always sit and relax to wait that people are gonna come and bless me. No, even God blesses the one who blesses himself. You must start to do it, and God will intervene because you have been given the authority, the courage, and the determination to do everything has been granted unto you. So this is where we are, guys. Thank you. Those who are willing to give a hand, you can give us through even advice is very important. Because if you say financially, someone can give you money, but without advice, knowledge, know-how, you come back to square zero where you have started. So we want to thank you guys. That is what we are doing. We are in Seke. Which place is this actually? This place?
Ngome Seke.
At Ngome, that is what we are doing with my sister. And I've seen the work of God through my sister because whatever it touches, you see, it blossoms, it goes far further. You see, in a year to come, as she has been saying, she is hoping that that is a supernatural faith to believe things that are not yet there, guys. In a if you see Miss V moving in a Mercedes Benz, some other people they say, this one is a ritualist whatsoever. But can you not see the beginning, the start? We're starting from the ground, isn't it that so? And these eggs, if we are others, we could have this taken them as a relish because they have got too much cabbage. But eggs, you know, it makes the tongue different. So, guys, that is where we are. We want to thank you so much. Through the love of God, we can do so many things. I'm running out of words, but your love. And again, Miss V is the one who inspired me to be a YouTuber. If I look to my YouTube channel, I once said to my sister, this way you're moving is a long road. It's very
Nothing
complicated.
comes easy.
But I'm beginning to enjoy it because
Yeah.
even if I get a single subscriber to me, it means a lot.
And you celebrate.
I celebrate too much. I don't know where I'm standing right now, what God want me to do, but through you, the people will help each other. Thank you so much.
Please also tell them that if they have any project that they are doing, as long as it's in Harare, they should tell us to go and see it. If they also want a hand anywhere in Zimbabwe, they can send us, we can go.
Yeah, because on traveling, we are much dedicated unto that. We want it. Everywhere where you send us, the good part about us is that when you send us to do something for you, we take photos, we take
Videos.
everything that is necessary, and we are not even critical because what is we are doing this, we are not only doing for the one person.
Yeah, that's
It's for
true.
the world to know. Otherwise, people in Mississauga, in so many countries, they can see our videos.
Yeah, that's
No
true.
matter we have or we don't have, but our main goal is to make it happen.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. About me, my
Sorry.
no. How long was the video?
It's still going. It's still going. If you do you want to continue?
Besides me, artist, I wanted to sing, but now, no, we just leave it to
For
God
another time.
and to
Okay.
our brethren. And from today, don't ever say you are by yourself. And to say, I don't care about it, that one is not my relative. The time you die, who is gonna dig your grave? Is it your relative? Your relative will be busy crying. But that's someone who is by your side. That's why the elders say a friend nearer is worth much more than a brother far away. I don't mean to say brothers, they are not important. Everyone get connected to this. We love you all. Thank you so much. There's a call for you, Miss. Bye bye, guys. Let love lead. Thank you.